You're going to use this tool to make money online for free. This tool is completely free. So you can see this is a long sentence, and if you press this button called predict, and if you rewrite that entire big sentence into short sentence, then you can use it to make money from it. So I'm going to walk you through what this tools and how you can make money from it. So watch the video until the end for the full tutorial. Guys, I make videos on money making, money saving tutorial. I try to upload one video every day or every other day. So subscribe, like and share, and if you really like this video, click the like button on the bottom of the video, guys. This tool is called speedwrite.com. Here, this is a completely free. You have to create an account with it. You can use your Google or Facebook account, or you can use your email to create an account with it. All you have to do is, if you want to change some sentence or some articles, just copy and paste it on here. What this tool basically going to do is, this is, for example, this is in a paragraph. So if you click predict under each paragraph, and if you change entire paragraph into 2 lines sentence, guys, so you will read through the paragraph and you will rewrite it into short sentences. So you can have a completely different articles than the original article, guys. So you can use this free content to make money from it. I'm going to show you how you can do that. Go to ClickBank. You can go to ClickBank or any affiliate network. So go to ClickBank and click this one called search bar here. Click it and it will bring all the top selling affiliate product on ClickBank. Filter through gravity. And if I want to promote this product, what you have to do is you have to create content around it. So you can't just give a link for someone else to buy it. You need to give a content from that. You need to drive a traffic to your affiliate link. So what you have to do is you have to find the relevant content on losing belly fat. So I went to Google and type how to lose belly fat. There's a bunch of articles there. You can use it for free. Now what I did is I just opened this website. There's a top 20 list, but I just copied top 6 list here. You can see, so from 20 I only copied 6 of that list. Now what I did is, after I copy it, you have to copy and again and paste it on speedwriter.com here. And you can see these are the title. Won't show predict button under the title, so you can exactly copy and paste the title on here. But after each paragraph that you can see is showing the predict. So I can show you one more time how you can do that. Copy this title and put it on here. Now this is the title done. So in the predict section, you can see this is the paragraph. Click predict. Within a couple of seconds, it will change entire big paragraph into shortened paragraph. But if you want to add more content to this title, find the relevant articles, copy and paste it on here. It will entirely change this paragraph into different sentence, guys. So you don't get any copyright claim or plagiarism, guys. So you can see you can keep doing for each of this list, make a completely different list. This is simple and short. So you have for example, this entire article number top 6 list that you can see is around 562 words. But if I use this tool, I can make around 150 to 200 words of articles completely different to the original one. So after you create the content, you can promote it in a couple of ways for free, and you can make money from it. What you have to do, copy this entire newly generated article. So click here and highlight it and copy it. I just keep it simple, but you can generate entire articles. After you copy it, you have to go to this tool, Vidnami. Again, guys, I'm using Vidnami, but you can use alternative to Vidnami, but you have to do it manually. Like you have to generate your voice, text to speech voice separately, and you need to download a bunch of free, royalty-free videos from different websites like a Pixabay. Then you have to combine together. That's a manual method. But using a Vidnami, you can generate vertical videos and under any different minutes, guys, with one press of buttons. Again, if you click the link in the description, you can get 25% off for life. But if you can't afford it, you can do it manually, guys. All you have to do is select the template. You can select horizontal or vertical, and you have to do is click use this template. On here you have to copy and paste your script. I keep it simple here. So click create scene, and it will add all royalty free videos for you guys. Then what you have to do here, click voice and auto voice, select auto voice, and it will add auto voice for your video, guys. Then your video is ready. What you have to do, you download that videos into your computer. Now you can see video is ready. So after you download that, what you're gonna do is go to TikTok and you're gonna create a simple account and you're gonna publish it here. Then you can see I create a different account for this kind of video. Only 5 videos are up and running. This video didn't get any views, but you can see other videos are getting over 400 views, guys, within a couple of days. Now you can see this is the link where I put my affiliate link. How I did it, I went to Linktree or any link in bio tools. So there's a video, I put it on a card, you can check it out. There's a couple of link in bio tools that you can use it for free, where you can see here I put my affiliate link inside it. How you can get your affiliate link, go to your affiliate network, click promote, and you can get your affiliate link from that. This is your affiliate link, copy it and put it on the link tree and get the shareable link and put it on the TikTok, guys. With the TikTok you can publish short videos like under 60 seconds or longer videos like 3 minutes video, guys. So if you can make it a top 10 list but 2 minutes of duration, you can still upload it on TikTok. So after you upload your videos, you have to put the link in the bio section here, so people watch the video, they click it and they can go and buy it. You make money from this where you're going to generate free organic traffic. Other one is YouTube Shorts. That you can see at the moment there are over 34 million shorts videos are on YouTube, and 3.6 channels are doing it. 3.6 million channels are doing it. So you have to create entire YouTube channels around the shorts, not your own original channels or different. Don't confuse with the normal content with the shorts. So create a simple short channel, upload 1 video every single day on the topic, and put the affiliate link in the description, guys. So you can see these are the videos 6 hours ago published, generating over 1,000 views. You can see 1 day ago 1 million. So these are big channels, but still you can tap into the untapped market traffic from YouTube Shorts, guys. So you have to create the channels around the YouTube Shorts and upload those videos on YouTube, guys. Again, if you don't want to create videos and upload it in TikTok or YouTube Shorts, or just go to Speedwriter, make a little bit long articles and copy entire article, publish it on Medium with your affiliate link inside it. So with the Medium, what you can do, you can generate free traffic for your article, guys. So with the Speedwriter, what you're going to do, if you copy and paste 2,000 word article in this section, it will generate at least 1,000 word of article on here. So you copied it and put it on medium.com with your affiliate link inside it, and when the people read the articles, click the affiliate link and you get paid for that, guys. Again, if you watch this video, I put the card and the link in the description. It's about 5 websites where you can post your articles for free and you can make money from it. Completely free website, guys. So you can copy and paste these articles, and with the affiliate link you can insert it inside these articles and you can generate free organic from those websites, guys. So I hope you understand this. The key important part of this video is that this tool is called Speedwriter, which will turn your entire articles into different articles. Not like other bot where rewrite the articles. It's not going to rewrite anything. You're going to completely change your paragraph into different paragraph, guys. Again, still you have to read through it and make some correction and make sure that the word or the sentence is making sense, guys. And I hope, guys, you understand this video. If you really like this video, subscribe, like and share. Other than that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.